My name is Ron. I'm a communications analyst. This is a review for Google Sheets, which I give a review of 5. And for more reviews like this, click below. We store a lot of different types of data in our Google Sheets. We store everything from social media metrics and monthly engagement tracking to email tracking and really essentially it is one of our primary content management tools, and we honestly use it in conjunction with our CRM, and it's just as helpful. What I like most about Google Sheets is that it's obviously cloud based. So we're talking auto saving, smart features, smart text, and then also, of course, the fact that it's storing data that we need not only regularly but sometimes daily, and allowing us the easiest way to access not just when we're in the office, but because it's cloud based when we're traveling or away, it's the easiest way to access this information and content. What I like least, and it's not even really a con, it's just that it obviously with Google being Google, it's hard to have this software as a plugin for other features, especially again I mentioned our CRM. Having this be like a plugin that works in conjunction with, instead it's something that we have to kind of consult as well as then go back to our data, our software management tool. So that being said, there's nothing wrong with this software. If anything, it works perfectly. It's just it works independently and not necessarily with.